Congratulations to Professor V. Alagarsamy. Stanford University, USA names Alagarsamy among top scientists of the world. Professor V. Alagarsamy, presently working as principal of MNR College of Pharmacy, affiliated to Osmania University, and the director of MNR Foundation for Research and Innovations, Hyderabad. Dr. Alagarsamy has been named among top 2% scientists in the world as per the scientific fields and subfields analysis performed by a team of scientists at Stanford University led by Dr. John P. A. Ivanovic. Dr. Alagarsamy has been honored by ranking among top 1.6% scientists in India with 117 papers in his name and with a worldwide subject rank of 1561 among scientists. He is the only one ranked in both Telangana and Andhra Pradesh and 22nd in India in the subject of pharmacology and pharmacy. His main research interest is on the synthesis and pharmacological screening of novel heterocyclic bioactive compounds. The scientists at Stanford University have organized the scientists into 22 scientific fields and 176 subfields and created a database of over 100,000 top scientists of the world on the basis of standardized citation indicators, H-index, co-authorship, and a composite indicator. The analysis was conducted using citations from Scopus along with data assessing scientists for career-long citation impact till the year 2019 and for citation impact during a single calendar year. Sri M. N. Raju, Chairman, and Sri Ravi Verma, Vice Chairman, MNR Educational Trust, Hyderabad, commented that we are delighted to know that our principal of MNR College of Pharmacy is at the wonderful rankings and citation record. They have congratulated Dr. Alagarsamy for this unique achievement and appreciated his efforts to bring laurels to the institution and to the profession. Dr. Alagarsamy was also appreciated and congratulated by the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Sri Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, the President of Pharmacy Council of India, Dr. B. Suresh, Vice Chancellor of Delhi Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research University, New Delhi, Dr. R. K. Goyal, and all his teachers, students, and well-wishers.
அமெரிக்காவின் ஸ்டான்போர்ட் பல்கலைக்கழகம் வெளியிட்டுள்ள 22 துறைகளில் உலகின் சிறந்த 1,00,000 விஞ்ஞானிகள் பட்டியலில் கொடைக்கானல் பண்ணைக்காட்டைச் சேர்ந்த திரு அழகர்சாமி இடம்பெற்றுள்ளார். உலக அளவில் 1398வது இடத்திலும் இந்திய அளவில் 22வது இடத்திலும் அவர் உள்ளார். கோவை மருத்துவக் கல்லூரியில் படித்த திரு அழகர்சாமி ஹைதராபாத்தில் உள்ள MNR பார்மசி கல்லூரி மற்றும் ஆராய்ச்சி நிறுவனத்தில் முதல்வர் மற்றும் இயக்குநராக தற்போது பணியாற்றி வருகிறார்.
உலகளவில் சிறந்த விஞ்ஞானிகள் பட்டியலில் இடம் பிடித்துள்ள தமிழகத்தைச் சேர்ந்த விஞ்ஞானி அழகர்சாமிக்கு முதலமைச்சர் எடப்பாடி பழனிசாமி வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துள்ளார். சமீபத்தில் அமெரிக்காவின் ஸ்டான்போர்டு பல்கலைக்கழகம் 22 துறைகளில் உலகளவில் சிறந்த 1,00,000 விஞ்ஞானிகளின் பட்டியலை வெளியிட்டது. அதில் கொடைக்கானல் பண்ணைக்காட்டை சேர்ந்த அழகர்சாமி பார்மசி துறையில் 1561வது இடம் பிடித்தார். இந்த நிலையில் முதலமைச்சர் வெளியிட்டிருக்கும் ட்விட்டர் பதிவில் உலகளவில் சிறந்த விஞ்ஞானிகளின் பட்டியலில் இடம் பிடித்து தமிழகத்தின் பெருமையை உலக அரங்கில் உயர்த்திய விஞ்ஞானி அழகர்சாமிக்கு பாராட்டையும் வாழ்த்துக்களையும் தெரிவிப்பதாக கூறியுள்ளார்.
Journey of Alagarsamy from a government school student to a top scientist of the world. Mr. V. Alagarsamy was born in a poor farmer family. Father's name Sri P.R. Virajemi, mother's name Srimati V. Kamuthai, and was brought up in a small village called Pannaikadu, located in Kodaikanal Taluk, Tamil Nadu in India. He had studied up to 12th class in a government school in the same village and stood school first in both 10th and 12th class. With the great enthusiasm in health and education, he had studied in pharmacy education with D.Pharm from Coimbatore Medical College. As he was from Tamil medium, felt difficult in the beginning, but with the support of his dedicated teachers, he did hard work and emerged as a rank holder. Based on the meritorious marks in D.Pharm, he got admission for B Pharm at Madurai Medical College. He had qualified national level entrance called Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering GATE GATE with 95.1 percentile at the All India rank of 52 and got admission into M Pharm at Gujarat University LM College of Pharmacy at Ahmedabad, India. His interest in research was aggravated by the inspiring professors and research scholars who were working day and night in the laboratories. He had started concentrating research more than theory classes, as a result of which in second semester he got less marks without bothering about the marks by using the excellent lab he wished to do with good research in synthetic chemistry for drug development. As he could not get the desired product in his multi-step synthetic scheme, he tried many alternate routes by working in lab around the clock. He and his friends spent several sleepless nights and had a nap early in the morning with just a packet of raw milk from the vendor to curb the appetite. At the end of M Pharm, he felt bad about his marks on the farewell day, but he could succeed in 3 research projects, and his professor consoled him by telling him that you will become like me one day. Now, he is a Vice Chancellor of Delhi Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Research University, New Delhi. He strongly advised him to continue the research in synthetic medicinal chemistry. Mr. V. Alagarsamy continued to involve in research and development activities day and night and received the highest degree of Doctor of Philosophy PhD in Pharmacy from the Maharaja Sayaji Rao University of Baroda. He wanted to teach and do academic research and hence started his career in teaching with patient at Sankara Lingam Bhuvaneswari College of Pharmacy, Sivakasi, followed by JSS College of Pharmacy, Mysore. During his service as a faculty member, he behaved like a school teacher, insisting all students to write tests in every next class and submit a fair copy of class notes in long scape notebook every week when he came for practical class. Without bothering anything, continued his style of teaching and started coaching the interested student for All India Entrance Exam GATE. Many of the students qualified and the appreciations further increased for him. After a few years, students felt that if they are in Alagarsamy's class, their pass is guaranteed. The pass-out student did M Pharm through GATE and completed M Pharm in various universities. Many of them completed PhD also. His students have asked him, "Why don't you publish books with your notes which you gave us, almost 500 pages for pharmaceutical organic chemistry and 600 pages for medicinal chemistry?" They also told him that nowhere they found such a material. That was the first spark to him for authoring books. Later, even his professor also advised him the same. Meanwhile, by observing his research publications in many of the Elsevier journals, he got the invitation from Elsevier Publications, which is one of the top 10 publishers in the world, for writing a book, and hence he has written his first book on the title of Textbook of Medicinal Chemistry. It was released in a grand occasion at New Delhi by the Honorable President of Pharmacy Council of India, Professor Dr. B. Suresh. The notes which he had compelled students to write in classroom, not only useful for him but also for many alumni who use for qualifying GATE and drug inspector exams. Even now, many students are keeping these notes books like Bible. With the excellent feedback from readers, the book was honored by including in reference book lists in many universities. Hence, Elsevier invited him to author the second book also, on the title of Chemistry of Natural Products. It was also released by the Honorable President of Pharmacy Council of India, Professor Dr. B. Suresh, in the Indian Pharmaceutical Congress at Chennai. The warm response received from all over the country on his books made him to continue writing books and hence authored the following books on the title of Organic Chemistry, A Comprehensive Approach, Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry, Pharmaceutical Inorganic Chemistry, and Practical Pharmaceutical Inorganic Chemistry. All these books are well appreciated in the academic community. His research work on quinozoline nuclease is one of the significant contributions in synthetic organic chemistry in the world. Professor Alagarsami's research is widely cited by the researchers working in quinozoline nucleus. He feels proud for becoming such a synthetic medicinal chemist in his life because he had started loving chemistry theoretically only, but because of his inspiring professors at Gujarat University, he could achieve this milestone. He had presented his research work in conferences and received Best Research Paper Presentation Awards too. His contribution in research was also honored by making him as a co-editor of the international journal Anti-Infective Agents, published by Bentham Science Publishers. To become a principal was not his aim, but he will do any assignment sincerely with hard work. He learns and put all his efforts to succeed in the given assignment. Hence, when he joined as a principal at MNR College of Pharmacy, taken it is as a challenge and determined to prove himself. In the first 5 batches consecutively, the college got 100% pass in the final year exams. What was started as an infant with 66 intake in 2004, MNR College of Pharmacy is now grown into a research center with an annual intake of totaling 185 seats. The college is also approved as research center for PhD by Osmania University. Prompted by his commitment in the development of college, academic and research, the management has honored him with the Best Principal Award among MNR institutions. MNR Trust runs about 73 top-grade institutions including medical college, dental college, etc. Later, he was also awarded with the Best Researcher Award in 2018. Now, he is also holding the position of Director, MNR Research Foundation, and coordinating the research and developmental activities. His commitment is also appreciated nationally by making him as a subject expert member of All India Board of Pharmaceutical Education AIBPE, AICTE New Delhi, and as a member of Board of Studies in Osmania University, Hyderabad, and as a doctoral committee member and as a recognized research guide for PhD scholars in various universities. He has also contributed to the profession of pharmacy by organizing various state-level and national-level conferences inviting eminent from pharma industries and research organizations. In his interview, Dr. Alagarsami mentioned that he was born in a poor family but brought up in rich academic institutions, which made him to reach this milestone of top scientist in the profession of pharmacy. Hence, he wishes to dedicate this achievement to his parents and teachers who made him to become what he is today. He had submitted his gratefulness to the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Sri Yedappadi K. Palaniswamy, the President of Pharmacy Council of India, Dr. B. Suresh, the Vice Chancellor of Delhi Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Research University, New Delhi, Dr. R. K. Goyal, the President of IACP, Professor K. Chinnaswamy, the Principal of University College of Technology, Osmania University, Professor R. Shyam Sundar, press and media, and all his teachers, students, and well-wishers who had appreciated his achievements. He had also expressed his sincere thanks to Sri M.N. Raju, Chairman, and Sri Ravi Verma, Vice Chairman, MNR Educational Trust, Hyderabad, for encouraging the research and developmental activities by providing excellent infrastructure, facilities, and wonderful support, which made him to achieve this landmark in the profession of pharmacy.
I am Dr. Hanish, Associate Professor working in Malaysia, and I am a student of Professor V. Alagarsami, and I am proud to be the student of Professor V. Alagarsami, and he mentored me during my studies. I am known to him for over 20 years. He taught me during my bachelor's degree, and to my fortune, he is my co-supervisor for my PhD. He is such a person and a professor well-versed in scientific research and drug discovery. His research in pharmaceutical chemistry and pharmacology is of great interest, and Professor V. Alagarsami is one of the best teacher and dedicated scientist with great knowledge and sincerity. He made me to learn many things professionally and helped me to structure myself in teaching and research. On his achievement as a top 2% scientist in the world, I am very much happier and admire on his achievement. I always feel that I am blessed to have him as my lecturer and my co-supervisor for my PhD. I sincerely wish my professor on his achievement as a top-ranked scientist, and his contributions makes our pharmacy profession great. Thank you very much.
My name is Dr. V. Raja. MPharm PhD working as a research scientist at University of Saskatchewan, Saskatoon, Canada. Professor V. Alagarsamy taught me various subjects on my bachelor degree courses. I have completed my BPharm thesis under his research supervision in the field of medicinal chemistry. My dissertation was design and synthesis of biological evolution of novel quinosolin molecules. We have been published this research work in an excellent research journal that motivated me to do studies on my professional career. I was graduated my bachelor degrees in 1999. Still, I have excellent relationship with the sir and sharing all my success with him. Further, he trained me for the GATE exam for the master degree admission with the AICT fellowship. Still, I remember that he prepared a question bank in his own handwriting. I qualified for that exam with 97.89 percentile and all India rank of 73. I strongly believe that without his support and motivation, I cannot be reached this stage. I felt that he has strong sense of responsibility to students in his class and takes their success very personal.
Hi, this is Selva. I would like to congratulate the eminent scientist Dr. V. Alagarsamy, who is also principal of Emmanuel College of Pharmacy. I can say that he's the one of modern day Dronacharya who has enlightened the life of many students. I would proudly say I was one among those students who guided the students especially who are from rural background. He guided them to by giving them the right exposures like GATE, GPAT, and even further many foreign universities to guide them to the right path in their career. And he always supported all the students who are in need. So I would personally congratulate Dr. Alagarsamy again.
I, Dhanabal Kumarasamy, Assistant Professor, NSHM College of Pharmaceutical Technology, Kolkata. I've been master student for Professor Alagarsamy in the year 2006. What we have learned from our professor is the hard work, patience, perseverance, and at all time we have been disciplinarian approach. We have worked very hard and learned a lot with professor. We have from that point our lifetime inspiration and source that we always owe best to our Professor Alagarsamy. Thank you.
Hi, so I am Dr. Kesavan, Assistant Professor in Department of Pharmacy, Guru Ghasidas Center University, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. So I take this opportunity to congratulate my teacher and mentor, Professor Dr. V. Alagarsamy, for selected in top 2% of scientists in the world. My teacher and mentor during my undergraduation, she motivated me. Because of his guidance, I cleared my GATE exam and I pursued post-graduation. Then I did PhD from Indian Institute of Technology, Banaras Indian University. With his blessing and guidance, recently I visited University of Iowa, United States, for postdoctoral research through the sponsorship of Department of Biotechnology. There is one teacher who always stays in our mind, that is Professor Dr. V. Alagarsamy. Thank you.
Hi, I am Shandu Murthy and I am working as a research scientist in one of the leading biotech company in India. And Dr. Alagarsamy was the medicinal chemistry teacher during my B.Pharmacy course. As a very good teacher and a guide, he is capable of identifying the right talents within his students. He was my first teacher who has identified the research interest within me. He also guided me in preparing for my GATE exam that has helped me to do my master's degree from Anna University with scholarship. The GATE score has also helped me to pursue my PhD from National University of Singapore. I am very happy to know that he is now one among the top 2% scientists in the world in the field of pharmacology and pharmacy. My heartiest congratulations and best wishes for him to reach even more heights in the future. Thank you.
I am Dr. Vishnu Naik, MS, PhD, a research scientist working in Faculty of Medicine at Hebrew University of Jerusalem, Israel. I am a student of Professor V. Alagarsamy and I am proud to be the student of Professor V. Alagarsamy. He mentored me during my studies. I am known to him over 15 years. He taught me during my bachelor degree, and he was inspired me to pursue a career as a researcher in medicinal chemistry. Though I am moving to various organizations over the world for my research activities, he maintained cordial relation with me and he is great advisor to me. I am very much happier and admire on his achievements. I always feel that I am blessed to have as my lecturer. I sincerely wish my professor on his achievement as a top ranked scientist, and his contribution makes our pharmacy professional great interest. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Jagan Mohan Kaipa. I'm a doctoral researcher currently working at Helmholtz Center for Infection Research, Braunschweig, Germany. Professor Alagar is an eminent scientist which is well known to everyone. However, for his students, he is not only an extraordinary scientist but also a visionary teacher. His teaching methodologies were not only informative, but it used to inculcate a lot of curiosity to every student, which made them to explore and learn science. For me, he's a true inspiration. Along with me, for many young students, he's also a true inspiration who aspire to become young scientists.
Hi, my name is Saigod Andanagaram, currently working as Scientist 1 for Scigen Pharmaceuticals, New York, United States. First of all, my sincere congratulations to great Professor Dr. V. Alagar Sami to become a top 2 scientist in the world. He's been a great teacher and guide, and I am proud to be a student of Dr. V. Alagar Sami. With his exponential skills and intuitive way, so many difficult topics become easy. Apart from his teaching and writing, he always teaches valuable words and morals and ethics. I always remember his words, dedication and determination leads to ultimate success. These words and his guidance made me to choose the right path in my career and life.
Hi, I'm Dr. Varun Krishnan, currently studying Master of Health and Human Service Management at Deakin University, Melbourne. I'm also working part-time as Health Safety Officer for the Department of Health and Human Service Management, protecting Victoria from further COVID-19 cases. I studied Doctor of Pharmacy from MNA College of Pharmacy under the guidance and mentorship of Dr. V. Alagar Sami sir. We even followed the textbook authored by Dr. V. Alagar Sami sir for medicinal chemistry, which was one of the best books ever, and we were privileged to have him teaching us personally. I have always admired him for all his contributions towards pharmaceutical and medicinal chemistry field. It has been a great pleasure, sir, studying under you, and I'm really pleased to know, and I really wish you for getting into the list of top 2% scientists in the world.
Hi, my name is Arun Kumar Batula. I am currently working as a Google Cloud Engineer here in Toronto, Canada. I was a student of Dr. V. Alagar Sami during my M.Pharm between the years of 2009 and 2011. One thing I learned from him, other than chemistry, during my tenure as his student was to give 100% to the job you're doing. He instilled the qualities of dedication, patience and perseverance in me, and these 3 qualities really helped me get where I am in my career right now. He is and always will be an inspiration to me. Thank you, sir. Thank you for everything.
His inspirational words for the budding scientists are: the 2 most important days in your life are the day you're born and the day you find out why you're born. In your life, either write something worth reading or do something worth writing. You should dedicate yourself to your profession and do your best that should answer why you're born. Nothing is impossible in the world because the word impossible itself says, I am possible. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the aircraft takes off against the wind, not with it. That is why it's reaching its desired destination. Likewise, you should not compromise for others in your profession, then only you can achieve your goal. You should always have a dream in your life, and to achieve it, if you work out in a clear-cut pathway by having a vibrant mindset with full of devotion, it will surely fetch you success even if God says impossible. Because the hard work has its own power, it will never fail. You should not be a product of your circumstances, you should be a product of your decisions. All the best.